Hi guys, welcome to Asha Technologies. Today, and 3 days later, I have ordered an camera drone from Flipkart and it cost 10,100 rupees. It is in offer, so I have purchased that. But Flipkart had sent this stupid helicopter had sent by Flipkart and it has damaged too. So I have returned and I'm trying to check and I'm checked how it will flies, and after this end I will show it how it will flies. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more and subscribe for my channel. Technologies. Today I ordered an drone from Flipkart, but they sent an this helicopter. Let's see how it will fly. So move, let's fly. Now let's start. Let's see how it will fly. Let's see how it flies. And it's flying good. And let's see again how it will fly. And it's flying good. Let's see.